In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove replay watermark on Tradingview. If you've been using the bar replay feature and that faint replay label is distracting you, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to hide it while keeping everything else on your chart intact. We'll go step by step so you can follow along once and be done. Start by opening your charts in Tradingview. Make sure the chart you want to adjust is visible on your screen so you can immediately see the effect of the change. Next, ensure you are actively using bar replay. This matters because the replay watermark only appears when bar replay is turned on. If bar replay isn't active, you won't see the watermark and it may look like nothing changed. So, turn on bar replay and have any segment of your chart replaying or paused. Either way works as long as replay mode is engaged. Now that your chart is open and replay is running, right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings from the context menu. This is the central place where you control how your chart looks and behaves. Once the Settings panel opens, look along the left side and click on the Canvas tab. Canvas is where Tradingview groups visual elements that sit on your chart background, including things like grid lines, session breaks, and watermarks. Inside the Canvas tab, find the Watermark section. There will be a drop-down you can expand to see specific watermark options. Here, locate the checkbox labeled Replay. Uncheck that box. This tells Tradingview to stop displaying the replay watermark while you are in bar replay mode. Without touching other watermarks you might still want to keep, like your symbol or time frame. If you still value those, leave them as they are and only uncheck replay. When you are done, click OK to save and close the settings panel. The change applies immediately. Look back at your chart and you should see the replay watermark disappear, leaving you a cleaner view while you analyze price action during replays. If you ever want the watermark back for clarity during recordings or tutorials, just return to the same place and recheck the replay box. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.